In schools, everyone among us studied about the man who sat under apple tree and apple fell on him and he discovers gravitational law, and we all know about him as Sir Isaac Newton. As we all know, he proposed gravitational laws in year 1680s. But what if I say there was someone who discovered gravitational law 1100 years before Isaac Newton? Yes, Indian discovered laws of gravitational much before other countries. For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you facts of gravitation which was discovered by Indian. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching the video, I will be uploading short and simplified knowledge in one video every alternative day with most interesting facts and trending topics which everyone should have knowledge. If you not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Let's begin our video from ancient India, which has contributed a lot towards field of astronomy, astrology, mathematics, physics and so many other things much before the world. And many inventions and discoveries were made in ancient India, but credit was given to someone who stole our inventions and discoveries. One such example is law of gravity. Yes, when we talk about gravitation and law of gravity, we remember Newton and Apple story. As we all know, Newton is great scientist without any second thought. His contribution to gravity is great because he has given detailed explanation about concepts which we are using today in modern science. But Newton was not first person to discover gravity. Yes, you heard it right. Bhaskaracharya too was Indian, actually deserves credit for discovering law of gravity. He clearly explained about Gurutvakarshana Shakti, which is called gravitational force in modern science. Aryabhatta in his book Surya Siddhanta, which was written in Sanskrit, gives clarity of the spherical earth stands at the center of earth in space due to Dharamantamika Shakti, which prevents earth from falling away and helps it to stand firmly. Later, in view of book Surya Siddhanta, Bhaskaracharya writes his own book called Siddhanta Sironamani, in which he explained in detail that every object falls on ground due to Earth's force of attraction. This force allows sun, moon, earth and constellations to stay in orbit. Also, Bhaskaracharya wrote book called Leelavati, where he answers curious question posed by his little daughter. In book, he explained that there is a mutual attraction between planets and this allows planets to hold themselves firmly in space. In book, he also mentioned the shape of Earth. Bhaskaracharya states that what we see is not the reality. Earth may appear flat, but in reality, Earth is in spherical shape. He further explains the theory by stating if you draw a very big circle and look at the 1/4 of its circumference, you will see as a straight line, but in true sense it is circle. Similarly, Earth is in spherical shape. After Bhaskaracharya too, there are also other scholars who have described about gravity in their works. There are also descriptions available in Prashna Upanishads about gravitational pull in scriptures that belong to 6000 BC. In this book, it is clearly described about the force that pulls object towards the earth and the force that keeps us grounded to earth. Without this force, we will end up floating in space. Newton's contribution to gravity is still amazing, as he has given lot of additional information regarding this topic. But we should never forget that we Indians discovered gravity before world knows. As we all know, our history has been destroyed by invaders and many scriptures has been stolen and translated. Even today, there are so many complicated Sanskrit scriptures. Few countries are trying to decode ancient Sanskrit to step up more inventions. Many other countries, including Germany, started Sanskrit learnings in school. So what do you think? Do ancient Indians and Bhaskaracharya laws of gravity deserves to be recognized as Indian invention? If you think so, please share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for interesting videos every alternative day.